there, April of Yes to Next Year with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
Today we have an intermediate workout for you today.
Uh-oh.
Ready for this?
Word, yes.
Yes. Okay. And actually, it's a typical home strength training workout that I do for myself. I do 3 sets of these exercises that we're going to do today. And I typically use weights. I have 3 sets, light, medium, and heavy. I'm using 3 pounds, 5 pounds, and 8 pound weights. And my mom is, what we're going to do is my mom is going to do the exercises with us, but we're going to modify them for.
I like that word, modify.
Modify is good, right?
Yes, very good.
Yeah. And she'll do them without any weights. So,
Okay.
so this workout you can do pretty much at any level.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it'll be really fun. So, Mochi's probably not going to participate in this workout.
I think he's worked out already. He's pooped.
Yeah, he's definitely doing yoga shavasana move at this point. So maybe he'll join us later. All right. So again, you need weights or no weights. Have a mat handy if you like, or on your carpet. Clear the area and definitely have water handy. It's important to hydrate during this workout.
Right.
Okay. So we're going to do a quick warm up before we start, but we'll pause here, get all your stuff, clear the area, and we'll see you on the other side. All right. Let's just start by warming up and marching in place. Okay. Really important to warm up your muscles before doing any type of workout,
Right.
particularly strength training workout, okay? Get the blood flowing, muscles warmed up, and make sure that you have good posture, ear, shoulder, hip, all in alignment as we do this little walking workout, walking warm up, okay? And next thing we'll do, just do some side steps to your right. So here we go, side step. Good. Yeah, because we're gonna be doing upper and lower body exercises today. So we're gonna work it all out.
You're gonna really hit the bang, huh?
Mm-hmm. And again, yeah, building muscle is important. One resting muscle burns more calories than fat. So
is that right?
that's a good thing.
That's a good thing.
Right?
Yeah,
And again, we lose 3 to 5% of our muscle every decade.
yeah,
So it's very important, march in place. Really important to do strength training. Okay. Now, cardio work is really good because, obviously you need to have your cardiovascular system in good health. So yeah, so you have good endurance, stamina, right? And also there's strength training there too. But in order to really build muscle, you got to do strength training and to really challenge your muscles with weights that are heavy for you. Okay. So if you're a beginner, it's no problem. You just start where you are and don't use weights, but
that's me.
that's right. But as you,
big B.
your big brain,
Oh, that's a good one. I like that. Big brain beginner. All right.
big brain beginner. Very good. Yes. B for beginner, B for brain. But as you get stronger, challenge yourself with weights. Okay, so no weights, then go to water bottles, use cans, go to light weights. This kind of progression. Okay,
I'm not using weights this time.
that's fine. That's all good because I'll use weights and so people can see the difference. Okay, so our first exercise are going to be push-ups.
Right.
Okay, so keep marching. My mom's going to do them against the wall.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm going to do them on the floor,
Yeah, good
on
for
my
you.
knees.
Good
Okay,
for you.
we're gonna do 15. So let me coach you, Mom, on form. Okay, so about 2 feet from the wall, feet hip distance apart. Okay, engage the core. Okay, tight head. Next, spine all in alignment and go down and up. Don't lead with your chin. That's it. Very nice. That's great form. Okay. Very good. And I'm going to do 15. So for me, I'm on the floor. I'm on my knees, about hip distance apart.
I can't see you.
I know. You got to trust me, right?
Okay.
And I've got my hands wider than shoulder width apart. I'm doing a wide stance here. Okay. And my shoulders are over my wrists. We're going to do 15.
All right.
So here we go. Go.
Okay.
And you do as many as you can. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm doing 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be sure you're breathing. 5 more.
Yeah, I haven't stopped
5.
breathing yet.
Good. 4, 3. Engage the core. 3. I'll call that 3. 2 and 1. And rest. Ooh, did you feel that?
Yeah, my arms.
Oh, yeah. Well, you feel arms, back.
Yeah.
It's such a great overall workout. Okay.
Yeah.
Real good. So at this point, let's take a breath, breathe, really work that out on the upper body.
Yeah.
When you take a sip of water too. Okay, so our our next exercise are going to be lateral arm raises.
Okay.
Okay.
That seems simple.
Yeah, I thought Nochi was going to do a lateral arm raise, but he faked me out there.
I think he is out for the
I
count.
think so. I think so. Okay, so I'm doing 30 here. Okay. All right, but you do as many as you can.
Okay.
And
Sounds
here
good.
we go. Here you go. Breathe. If you notice, my stance is I'm standing here, gauging the core, feet hip distance apart, slight bend in the knees. I don't want any hunching over. Okay. Stand up straight. I'm gonna call that 6. Good. 9 and 10. I'll call that 10. 11. Good. 12. Feeling it?
Oh, yeah.
13.
Even without weights, I can imagine.
14.
Yeah,
Breathe.
nice.
15. Another 15. Let's count down. 15.
Ooh.
Make it good. 14. 13. Breathe out as you pull it up. 12. 11. Breathe out. 10. 9. Count it down. 8. Good. 7.
Not
Good.
quitting.
6. Keep it going. 5. Only 5 more. You can do it. 4. Good. 3. 2. And 1. And rest. Nice work, everyone. Woo. Feel that in your shoulders?
Yeah.
You're going to have nice summer shoulders.
Okay.
So breathe it out. Maybe just move it around a little bit.
Okay.
Really worked it out. Okay. Good work. And it's a good time to take a sip of water here. Remember, it's really good to hydrate while you do these exercises. Okay.
Go ahead.
Mhm.
Catch up later.
You think about it, you're sweating, so you're losing water, so you need to drink water. Okay. So next exercise are tricep, overhead tricep extensions. So again, that standing position, I always want you to be solid. It's like bending the knees.
Right.
You lift those arms overhead. You're just going to bend those elbows and then extend them up. Looks like this. Okay. Okay. Don't bend over. Stand up straight. Now we're going for 20 here. Here we go. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, breathe. And 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, breathe. Breathe out. 7, 6, 5, good. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Nice work. Really good work. Those triceps are gonna be really nice. Good arms. Okay, so breathe. Take a little breath. Take a sip of water. Okay. Now our next move are going to be lateral lunges. Okay. So I'm going to show you. Again, you don't have to do that with weights. So I want you to really have a wide stance here. Be wider than shoulder width apart. Okay. And you're going to hinge slightly at the hips, and you're just going to lunge over so that your knee is over your ankle. Always. Okay.
Yep.
And then you're come back to center, and you're going to hinge and lunge to the right. Okay, so I'll go out here, show you how it looks from the side. So I'm here, and I'm gonna lunge, hinge, and bring it up, hinge at the hips, and down. Okay?
Okay.
All right, and my mom's gonna do that without any weights.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, so here we go. We're just gonna do 10 on each side.
Okay.
Okay, so that's gonna be a total of 20.
Right.
Here we go. Go to the right. 2, good. 3, 4, good. 3, 5, 6, hit the hips back. 7, 8, good. 9, 10, 10, 9, 10 more. 9, good. 8, 7, good. 6, and breathe. 5, 4,
Big fella.
3, 2, and 1, and rest. Oh, my mom's mic fell. Okay, let's see. Okay, hold on. Technical difficulties, which we work through.
Sorry.
Every workout, everyone take a breath. Okay.
Drink some water.
Drink some water. Good work. You're all set. Okay, very good, everybody. Take a breath. Take a sip of water. And our next exercise are going to be Burpees. Oh my God.
Oh, that's
My mom is just going to march through
watch
these.
in place.
Okay, so if you're doing the burpee with me, this is what it looks like. Okay, you're standing here and you're gonna put your arms on the ground. You're gonna kick your legs back into a plank. You're bringing legs back and up. That's a burpee.
Okay.
We're doing 10, only 10. You can do anything for 10, right? But you're gonna march in place.
I'm gonna march in place
Okay,
for 10.
so we're doing these for 10. So here we go.
I might
This is
speed
one.
it up.
2, wanna do it in a hop.
Oh my goodness.
This is 3. This is 4.
I'm
This
getting
is 5.
tired just watching.
This is 6.
I can speed up,
Good. Good, wow. It's impressive.
but that's about it.
I'm doing 2 more. This is 9.
Woo. Wow.
And 10, everybody.
Ooh, I'm tired just watching.
Good work.
Oh my goodness.
And I am going to take a sip of water here. All right, so march it out, people. Okay, good work. Good work on doing a burpee with me,
My
man.
goodness.
Good work on that. I saw your quick stepping. Very impressive. Good work. Okay, so coming down the home stretch. Okay, so our next move are going to be dumbbell swings. And I'm going to use my heavy weights on this one.
Oh,
And it looks like this. So, got your dumbbells at your side. You're gonna hinge at the hips, okay? And you're gonna kick your hips forward. So sit your hips back and then push your hips forward, okay? Like that. So your arms just become like pendulums. You're not moving your arms. It's not an arm move. It's a hip move. Your arms just kind of move along with your hips. Okay, got it? Okay, so we're doing 20 of these.
oh my goodness.
So here we go.
Okay.
Feet about slightly wider than hip distance apart. Stand up straight. Hinge at the hips. Get those arms back and push it forward. Hips forward. So breathe out. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now do it from side. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 10, get those hips forward, 9, good, 8, 7, hips forward, 7,
They're going
6,
forward.
5, bend those knees, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Good work. Whew. Nice work. You work your glutes, work your thighs, your hips. Really great for balance and walking. Okay.
That's true.
All right. Last round. Easy peasy, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
You know what's coming. Bicep curls. Okay.
Okay. That I can do.
Here we go.
Okay.
Take a breath. All we're doing, again, look at your stance.
Yep.
Okay, slight bend in the knees.
Yep.
Engage that core, straight up. And bring the bicep curls up. 1. Going for 20. 2. 3. Go slow. Breathe out as you're lifting. 4. 5. Good. 6. 7. 8. Good. 9. And 10. 10 more. This is it.
Woo.
10. 9.
The next time I'll try weights.
Yes. Good. You go, yeah, you go at your own pace.
Right.
I'm calling this 5. 5. 4. Good. 3. You with me?
Yep.
2. And 1. Very nice, everybody. Really good work. All right. Let's just march it out a little bit. You did really excellent strength training work.
Absolutely.
Really good
job,
work.
people. Good
Okay.
job.
So we did a lot of upper arm work here. So let's put our arms in a T. Stop. And bring that arm across the chest, straight. You can even put your thumb down, get a different kind of stretch. Great. Bend that elbow, bring it above your head. Watch your mic, Mom.
Yep.
And lean. Thanks for
I need to longer.
bearing with us through our technical difficulties today.
Yeah, really.
And center, arms in a T, arms across the chest.
If I had longer arms, I'd be perfect.
Yeah, you can put your thumb down. That's okay. They get you by, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bend that elbow. Watch your mic. Bring it above your head. and lean. Good, nice stretch. Good work, good work. Nice work. Okay, I just want you to do, we're gonna do slight standing twist. So let's just twist. Bring one hand to the hip. Yeah, there you go. You can put your hands on your hip here. And breathe, think tall. Think tall, you put your hand, good. You come back to center. Let's twist it to the other side. Ah, very nice. And breathe. Good work. Okay, nice job. Okay, let's do that hamstring stretch that we love so much. So bend one leg, keep the other one straight out. Reach for that toe. Did a lot of leg work today. Good work. Okay. And other side. Keep the other leg straight out. Nice hamstring stretch. Good work. Great. Okay. I'm gonna do a quick calf stretch. Okay, so one leg straight, bent in front of you, other one straight back, toes facing forward. Make sure that standing leg, the back leg, heel is down. Good. Breathe. Good. Okay. Very nice. Other side. I'll show it this way. Bend the leg. Keep that other leg straight out. Heel down. And breathe. Head up. Good. Breathe. Good work. Okay, we're going to do 3 inhale, exhales up, and we are out. Okay, here we go. Inhale up. And exhale down. Good. Nice work. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very nice, everybody. How do you feel, Mom?
Okay. I'm tired from watching you.
Good work. Well, next time maybe you'll try some weights.
Okay, maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
I'd like to see what goes.
Good. Well, anyway, great work, everyone, on this intermediate strength training workout. If it was easy for you, up the challenge. Do another round.
Right.
Increase the weight. Okay? And if it was challenging for you, again, do what you can. Go at your own pace.
Right.
And also maybe try other videos that we
Take
have.
your time.
Yes, exactly. All right. So anyway, thank you for joining us. It was great to work out with you today. If you like this video, please give us a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you in a future workout. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.